Welcome to the Solo Realtors AI Cognitive Command Suite. In the next 2 minutes, you'll learn how to operate these 28 production AI systems to reclaim 14 hours every single week, defend your commissions, and operate like a boutique luxury team. Every single system in your Notion dashboard is built as an executive 4-container cockpit. Container 1 sets your engine parameters. Container 2 is your operator input cockpit with clear variable tags. Container 3 is the production prompt engine, and Container 4 defines your executive deliverable benchmark. Here is how simple execution is. Open Prompt 01, the Neighborhood Market Authority newsletter. In Container 2, review your bracketed tags. Enter your farm neighborhood, raw MLS comps, and brand voice. Click the one-click copy button. Then open ChatGPT or Claude, paste the prompt, and watch the model stream a letterhead-ready publication with street-level narratives and 0 generic AI cliches. For maximum precision, route your tasks to the right frontier model. Deploy ChatGPT